My Little Lydia, a dog poem by Amber N. Jacobs. My little Lydia is a spoiled rat terrier. She barks and she whines, but she's quite clever. Lydia is a mommy's girl and always begs for cuddles. However, I make sure she gets lots of kisses and snuggles. She is my little girl, and she wags her tail with a twirl. On Mother's Day, she gets her way with all the time she spends. The cuddles and the kisses all day with her mom never ends. Daddy thinks she's spoiled rotten, but she is not bad. She is funny and friendly and always makes us glad. Lydia means the world to me, and we both live in harmony. What would I do if I didn't have my little dog? I would feel very lonely, and my mind would be in a fog. I love my little Lydia with all my heart. There's nothing in this world that could keep us apart. And that, my dear friends, is my poem for my little Lydia, my female rat terrier mix.